Let's dive right in. This is the AI software that's just hit the market. And if you're a developer or looking to streamline your workflow, you need to know what makes Software Dev Expert different. In this video, I'll break down the 7 most crucial things you should know about this new release. And by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether it's the right tool for you. And yes, you can try it for free through the link in the description below. First up, Software Dev Expert has completely redefined what AI can do for developers. This isn't just another AI tool that automates a few simple tasks. It's designed to help you build smarter, faster, and with more precision. From code generation to debugging, this software is engineered to boost efficiency like never before. The first thing that stands out is how seamlessly it integrates with multiple programming languages. Whether you're working in Python, Java, or C++, this tool has built-in support to help you write code that adheres to best practices, eliminating a lot of the manual work that usually eats up development time. And it doesn't just help you write code, it helps you optimize it. With built-in algorithms and machine learning models, Software Dev Expert will actually analyze your existing code and suggest improvements. Imagine having a senior developer review your code before it even reaches the testing stage, saving you valuable time and effort. What's even better is the intuitive UI. Unlike many AI tools that are clunky or require steep learning curves, Software Dev Expert is built with a user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to AI-assisted development, you'll find the layout clean and easy to navigate. This lowers the barrier to entry for anyone looking to adopt it into their workflow. Now, let's talk about how it accelerates the debugging process. Debugging can be one of the most time-consuming parts of development, but with this software, the AI quickly identifies bugs, suggests fixes, and even demonstrates how to prevent similar issues in the future. This is especially useful for teams who need to maintain consistent code quality. Another powerful feature is its version control integration. It syncs up with GitHub, Bitbucket, and other major version control platforms, making collaboration across teams smooth and hassle-free. It's not just for solo developers. This tool shines in team settings where collaboration and synchronization are critical. But here's where it gets really exciting: AI-powered testing. Software Dev Expert comes with a suite of automated testing tools that can simulate a wide range of scenarios to ensure your code works perfectly in different environments. This feature eliminates the need for manual testing, reducing the likelihood of human error. And finally, there's the time-saving automation of repetitive tasks. From code formatting to refactoring, the software will take care of the mundane tasks that slow you down, allowing you to focus on more strategic, creative work. I know you're probably wondering, how much is all this going to cost me? Well, I've got good news for you. You can try Software Dev Expert completely free by clicking the link in the description. Get a hands-on feel for everything I've mentioned and see if it's the game changer your development process needs. Before we wrap up, don't forget that I've got a curated list of AI software in the description below, tools I've tested personally, which can help you supercharge your workflow, whether you're a developer, marketer, or entrepreneur. With all the options available, Software Dev Expert stands out as one of the best just released AI tools on the market right now. If you're ready to level up your development game, this is the software you should be looking at. Check the links below to explore and start using these powerful tools today.